Guys, I got this what do you call this, another vintage stuff. Anyway, he said 1939, and there's like a kind of has a medal, and they said encouragement, the movement. I don't know if encouragement movement, and you see. It's a diploma. Edward. I think this is the same. The same with that other one. Oh, from France, Republic of France, Francis. It's the back. This one don't have a. I just put in that cellophane over here, and that's it. This is the back side. You know how to read. It's the back side of the pendant, and it's the front. I'm doing a laundry here in the basement, so I just cold open it. It's kind of hot, so I'm putting this in the cellophane. That's the other one. See you later.